Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset the stopwatch, especially when it's gone out of sync. As you can see here, the second hands is showing at 45 seconds, and over here, a few minutes in. I'll also show you how to basically reset that. This usually happens when, after changing a battery, it puts it out of sync, or probably the previous watchmakers stuffed it up. Here's how to fix it. In this watch right here, the zero, or what it thinks is the zero, is at 45 seconds. I'll show you what I mean. So, this is the start and stop button. So if I start that now, you'll see the second hand it's turning. So after one revolution, this one will tick one notch. So we'll just let it run for a few seconds, then I'll stop it again and reset it. Okay, I'll stop it now. And where's the seconds? Okay, so it's just right there. What we're going to do now is reset that one. So this is the reset button. So if I press that, once I press the reset, it's going to turn around and go back to its zero position. As you can see, unfortunately, that's not a true zero settings. So what we'll do now is to reset that. You'll need to pull the crown 2 clicks. 1, okay, just struggling. Here you go, 2. At the second click, that second hand will stop. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to move the second hands to 0. So you can press that to move it clockwise, or counterclockwise, or this way to move it clockwise. If you notice over here, the minute hands, it's way past, what is it, 3 minutes in, 4 minutes in? We'll need to set that to 0. But in order for that to go to 0, you'll have to run this a number of times. Probably, 4 times a revolution, just to go back to 0. Now, that'll be very inconvenient to do it this way. So what you can do is press and hold the button. So I press and hold and see what happens. See, now it spins. And this one as well. See how it's going back. I think that's about right. And let's just click one more time. So I think that's okay. Yep. So here now, just try to do it carefully. I think that's 0. Now, if we're happy with that, that's 0 and 0. You can now tell the watch, hey, this is the final position. I want you to recognize that. And time to lock it in. We press these 2 buttons at the same time for 2 seconds or longer. 1001, 1002, 1003. They let go. Now that syncs it. So if we run the stopwatch, oh, sorry, I'll push this back in. So let's test the stopwatch. So I've stopped that. Now I'll press the reset button. It should go back to 0 or how we programmed it. That's it. Yep. I hope you found this useful, and if you haven't done so yet, please click on subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.